These are nice RGBIC lights. As you can imagine, now we're connected with the GOVEE app. So we have 12 different scene modes to play with. 4 different music modes right here. We can go to vibrant music mode. Oh, still music mode. See? Alright. We can also change to the color effect right here. You can dial in exactly what color you want. Or you can go to different scene modes. Look, we have so many different scene modes. Lots of scene modes. You have 12 different scene modes. Check out. We got the movie mode. Yeah, to watch movies. Chilling the movie. We have the candlelight. Oh, some romantic candlelight. Nice. More romantic. Ooh, like Valentine light, right? We got the aurora. Ooh, aurora. I like the lights effect. It looks very cool, very cool. We got the breathing effect. We got the energetic. Dun, 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 dun. Energy, give me energy. Oh yeah. Alright, we have the snowflake mode and the rainbow mode. I mean rainbow is always my favorite. I love the rainbow. They're simple, they're easy, they work. So guys, that is it. That is the GOVEE RGBIC light bars right here. These light bars are cool, they're colorful. You have 12 different scene modes. You have music sync mode. You can put it behind your monitor. You can put it on side your monitor. You can mount it vertically. You can mount it horizontally. You can do whatever you want with these lights. There we go, guys. These are the GOVEE smart light bars. RGBIC WW. They look awesome. 16 million colors, 12 different scene modes, music sync mode. You can mount them behind your TV, in front of your TV, on the side of your TV. You do so many effects with these lights. These lights are ridiculous awesome. Horizontal or vertical orientation or mix and match both. I don't know. Do whatever you want. These are GOVEE RGBIC lights and they are awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. RGBIC GOVEE lights. Yeah. You can do it, Bashar. Woo-wah-bah. GOVEE RGBIC light bars right here.